What is going on, everybody? How is everyone doing today? Welcome back. Journey to a million, baby. Hope everyone's doing well. But oh my goodness, in the overnight, we had a very, very strong sell-off. Looks like we might be trying to take some of it back, but looks like we're in for a nice volatile day after some CPI news. We do have another news announcement coming in about 15 minutes, so something to watch out for. But hey, we'll see whatever this market has in store for us. Looks like we're getting some rejection at about 5,200, that psychological level as expected. So let's see where we end up going. Might be getting a nice lower high right here. I'm gonna stay out. Just looks a little bit stacked. But let's see if it leads to a nice move down. Yeah, so here's that push down. Nice little failed breakout out of this range. Stacked bars, lower high below the EMA, decent looking signal bar. Looks like we're headed down back to potentially the lows of the overnight. Well, we're very, very volatile right now. A lot of volume, a lot of buying, a lot of selling going on. So definitely just gotta not try to jump in when things are moving too fast, because it's a little risky when you try to do that. But it's possible we also had a spike here. Maybe a little channel like this. But coming up to these highs once again, I'm expecting to bounce somewhere right around here. We'll see, but I mean, 5:30, the CPI news came out. Huge sell-off. It's about 100-point move. Oh my god. So we'll see. Does this market want to keep going lower? Or do we go back up to the highs of the day? That's definitely not out of the question. But it's probably best to sit on our hands for the next 10 minutes or so. Just until some more news comes out. Unless we get a beautiful setup. In which case, we definitely don't want to just pass it up. Basically, huge spike down. Got a channel. Break. We eventually came back. Didn't quite test the low. So could be seeking this area one more time. 51.76. But we're just obviously going sideways right now. So let's see if this range holds up now that we had the move up, break, tested that high. Now it could be time for the sellers to jump in and maybe we get a nice lower high here, trapping some longs after this beautiful bullish looking bar. Basically, failed breakout here. We're going lower. Here's our first attempt to go higher. If we get a lower high, touching this bar, or if we break above that bar, then go lower, I'm looking to go short. If we had closed below that EMA. But it's always risky taking a trade directly into that 21-day EMA. I like to stay out of those. But who knows, maybe, just maybe, we have a trend going up like this as well. Because now that we have a third bounce, I don't want to just rule that out where we have a spike and a sort of channel like this. So let's see if we continue to work up. But right now, 5,200 psychological level, it makes sense why we're just bouncing around here. And now we did officially take out this high, 5,202. So yeah, let's see if this channel ends up being accurate. Don't want to just rule it out. So yeah, we're making higher highs, we're making higher lows. So at this point, I'm kind of abandoning the range. I mean, unless we really significantly work below the EMA. Let me get rid of that limit order. But to me, it looks like we're trending higher. But let's do one more little round of analysis. So, I mean, even if we try to fit a trend from way up here, I mean, it doesn't really make sense to. It's really just a spike. Came into some sort of channel. It's hard to tell what that channel really is. But regardless, looks like we had a break. Couple attempts to work lower. Now could just be coming back to the upside. So let's see if this channel is accurate. We're at the bottom side of it. Do we bounce here is the question. If not, then I'll probably get rid of that channel and just come back to the range. Actually, I'm gonna get rid of it right now. It looks like we're gonna take out this low. Not quite. We're bouncing right at 51.94 where we have this double bottom, but we have a strong leg down. Definitely gotta respect that as well. But who knows? Maybe we just bounce here. Maybe this channel is valid that we had. Just looking more sideways to the naked eye, like if we get rid of these, it's really just sideways. If I'm being honest with myself. Looks like we just got another sort of range congestion area at the top of the overall range. So to be honest, this was that trade I was looking for. Nice failed breakout of this range. If you took that trade, not bad at all. Not bad at all. Let's see if we come back to the bottom here. About 5 minutes till some more news comes out though. Yes, if you took this failed breakout, not a bad trade at all. Kind of wish I took it. Kind of wish I took that. So let's see if we keep going lower and take out 51.94. We got double bottom here, another touch. I think that's where prices are likely headed. Yeah, if we get another lower high, it'll be a second entry long failure. Obviously, we got to start working lower if that's going to be the case. But I'm definitely thinking we'll start working lower if we get a nice signal bar. But that one, a little too doji like for my taste. But yeah, definitely looks like we have this range. We're going up, down, up, down. Now we're just in a range on the top side. And everything's getting a little stacked at the midline, which is pretty expected as well. Yeah, so really no trade zone right now. Very, very stacked, very choppy. I'm still leaning towards us coming lower to about 51.93. Just whenever you're in the middle of these ranges, got some news coming out in a couple minutes, very stacked bars, it's best to just stay out. Yeah, so 2 minutes till the news, till some more movement, more than we're already having as well. Okay, looks like we're getting to the top of the range. We have one more push to go higher. I'm still leaning towards us going back to the lows of this range. Had this leg down, had the break, didn't quite get the new low of 51.94. Okay, and we're pushing up. We're pushing higher. We're pushing higher. Do we keep going higher? My brother, home of Earn. Eid Mubarak, my brother. Today is all of our day. Today, everyone's going to have some good luck. I know it. I know it. Okay, and we're off. We're going higher. We're going higher. 1 minute until the news. Actually, just a few seconds. So let's see if we get some momentum right here. Yup. Yeah, so I'm thinking this range will take precedence and that will come sweep out all these lows. Let's see if we do it. Yep. Looks like we're working back lower. Let's see what we do. Yeah. So failed breakout here. If this wasn't directly into the news, I was looking at this as a nice little failed breakout, but it's tricky trading right during the news. We definitely could have just came down, faked us out, and then made one more push higher. But honestly, I'm looking at the low of the day, low of the overnight, 51.76 as a potential target. A quick attempt to push higher. Looks like we're going to get rejected. Maybe have that one more leg to go down. Yeah, so we got the leg down. We had a break. Now we got the new low. Do we work below 51.94? That's okay. There we go. So 51.94. We bounced a couple times. Now we're getting closer to this midline of the overall range. Now we got there. Where do we go now? Got a lot of movement, a lot of volatility, a lot of volume right now. All right, Homo Vern. See you soon. See you in a few minutes. All right. And we're bouncing at these lows. It looks like this little range we got, this blue range, is acting the way we expect ranges to act. Got a leg down, break, another leg down. Looks like pretty much an exact measured move. So definitely possible that we just bounce here and start working higher. Yeah, so if we had a nice bullish bar, higher low. Yeah, I wanted to take that higher low. If we had a bullish bar here, but here all the buyers, they're coming into play. They're coming in. Just a lot of support right around 51.94. So now if we count from this low, we had a first entry short. Here we're going for a second entry short. Whew. Looks like we might just head to the lows of the range if we take out the low we just made, 51.91.25. Could be headed all the way down. And we just did it. We just took it out. So I'm curious to see if buyers start coming in and push it higher, or if we do start playing around in this overall range and work back to the overnight lows. So couple conflicting patterns. Could bounce here, but we could work all the way back down. But a lot of volume to start the day. which is what we like to see. It's just moving extra quick. Man. Okay, so looks like this blue range is intact. I'm looking for prices now to sweep up above these highs at the top of the range, above 52.02, 52.03. Do we do it? Potential high or low coming. But once again, we're in the middle of this area of congestion, so I like to avoid these areas. Sometimes you get some tempting setups, but really, it just adds a lot of risk. Okay, could have a failed breakout right here. Yeah, I'm in the trade. Okay, I'm in this short right here. Leg up, break, new high. Nice looking rejection bar. Let's go lower, baby. Let's go lower. So it's 2.5 point risk. I'm going for 4.5 point profit target. We got to get to 5196.25. We got to take out this higher low that we made. But these are the failed breakouts we look for. Bounced off of our limit order. Oh my god. To the tick, we bounced off our limit order. Come on, let's take it out. One more push lower. We really had to bounce exactly to the tick on our limit order. Oh my god. Not very nice. No way that just happened, man. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. We're still in it, but man, that... Are you kidding me right now? You kidding me right now? So it happens. Sometimes you get unlucky like that. Honestly, you could get another failed breakout right here. But man, to the tick. I know, man. AG15, sometimes you get unlucky like that. To the tick. To the tick. Damn. It's tough. It's tough. But sometimes that's how it goes. Yeah, to the tick. We needed literally one more tick lower for it to work out. Unbelievable. That's a huge swing. Huge swing, unfortunately. Damn. instead of being up, depending on the PAs or the evals, instead of being up 450 or 900 bucks, we're down 250 and 500. So it's tough. It's tough, man. I like that trade. I like it. Failed breakout, leg up, break, second leg, bearish bar. It's just a little unlucky. Now it looks like we might just be headed higher overall. So let's see if we keep going higher. But it's tough. It's tough when you have trades like that. I like the trade, looking back. Literally one tick away from being filled. It's unfortunate. So we're on to the next. We're on to the next. We move on. Even though I'm a little heartbroken. Who wouldn't be? But looks like we got a channel going up like this. So got a couple touches on the top. Maybe another touch at the bottom here. Let's see if we can get a second entry long. I want to see maybe one more leg down and then an opportunity to get in on this action. Okay, so counting from this double top, we had first entry long. If we have one more leg down, another bounce, let's get it. Who's Justin? Who's Justin? Okay, this could be a second entry long. I'm going for. I'm looking for. Is Justin the same guy that people were mentioning yesterday on the stream? Joint stream together for the ladies? Trader Shop channel? Yeah, I was looking at it yesterday. Alright, well, I'll check it out. I'm gonna hop in the stream in a second. I'm gonna hop in the stream in 1 second, but I mean, I don't know if I really look like him, but if you guys say it, I gotta go do a double take. I gotta do a double take. AG15, appreciate you, man. Yeah, I mean, I could do scalp and a runner. It's just, I mean, this was just an unfortunate trade, to be honest. Like, one tick away from being filled. It just happens. What I could have done is just move my stop to break even. That's probably what I should have done. We gotta set up a joint stream. I'm gonna go check it out. Trader Shop channel. Let's see. Let's check it out. And what happened to my YouTube? I don't know why it didn't let me search something up. Let's see one more time. Yeah, I don't know why my YouTube is acting up. Okay, here we go. Hold up. Might be getting a nice little failure here. It's too volatile to check out another channel just right now. Just give me a few minutes. I'll check it out in a few minutes. I gotta pay attention. We might miss a trade. We might miss a trade if we do. I'm cuter than Justin. I'm cuter than Justin, man. Yeah, I'm trying to see what the correct channel is right here. Maybe something like this. We got a higher low off this. Might not be a bad setup. Yeah, a couple touches on the bottom. Second entry long. If we get a higher low, I'm looking. I'm seeking for a trade. Okay, doji bar though. Trader shop channel. Okay, 1 second. If we get a higher low right here, I don't want to miss it. Trader's shop. Are they live right now? Shit. Let's see. Let's see. Let me put my volume on.
I don't have. Man, that's where I'm at with it. Like, I just feel like I don't have enough context. For me, I like the trade. Probably feel. I think.
Do I look like this guy? Let me move my. What's good? Let's go. Long lost brothers. I guess so. Appreciate it, boys. I appreciate you. Alright, go check out Trader Shop. They're saying I look like my man Justin over here. Alright, let's see. Might be getting a setup here.
I'll call price.
I'm still in the stream. But basically, we'll revisit them. We'll revisit them soon. But they're giving me some props. But I've been doing absolute ass on the on the live streams lately, but we're in it for the long term, baby. We're in it for the long term. All right, so I'm looking at this as a leg up, leg down, break new low. If we get another higher low here, I'm looking to trap some shorts. G cart. Let's see if we can get in. Let's see if we can get in a trade here. Honestly, things are looking a little sideways. We might just be, to be honest, just even in a little bit of a wider range like this. Now, but it's funny, those guys, they think I'm light skinned. I am mixed, but I got no black in me. I'm half Brazilian, half Lebanese. But I get the Klay Thompson comparison a lot. All right, so leg down, break, new low. Looks like we're potentially just bouncing off the previous range high we had. Let's see where we go. Let's see what we do. But yeah, man, tough. Live streaming is a tough game. It's a tough game. Fuck, man. We have to be one tick away from being up a lot. Now, it's just part of the game. Sometimes it happens. Hopefully we can make it back. We just need one more trade to make it back. Home of Vern. What are we gonna do, man? What are we gonna do, home of Vern? All right, and yeah, looks like we're trying to take out previous high we made, 5209.5. Yeah, so I mean, looks like we had a little channel going up, had a break, maybe testing that high, but really, you could even drag this up, something like this. I mean, we're really just sideways, came back to the midline. So definitely got a little bullish bias, but at any point we could just come back down and take out these lows. But yeah, man, the world above, welcome in. I mean, it's an up and down journey. I mean, I knew when I switched my strategy from just being a scalper to now going for a lot more points that it was going to be a little bit of a learning curve. I mean, still just implementing price action techniques. It still just comes down to chart reading and how disciplined you are in following your rules. I mean, I did like this trade. Just unfortunate. Literally, we needed one more tick lower to get filled. Which sucks. But it happens. It happens. You hate the sideways markets? Don't hate on it. Don't hate on it, because sometimes you get the best trades in sideways markets. Like, we could just be in a very, very slow moving uptrend like this as well, similar to what we had a few days ago on, not yesterday, but the day before yesterday, or the day before that. Yeah, the start of the day looked very, very sideways, but then it just turned into a really wide uptrend. So might just be we're having a similar situation right now. You go to the 15-second chart sideways and super scalp, man, that's that's risky. 15-second chart, you crazy, man. But definitely possible we're just in a slow, choppy uptrend. But don't just want to ignore this leg up either. It looks like we're just slowly grinding higher. Have a nice push up here. If we get another second entry long opportunity to hop in, not a bad idea, not a bad idea. Just made 200 this morning, man. Hey, congrats to you, congrats to you. Am I the Flash? I wish. I'm his cousin. Okay, also if we drag it from the low of the day, looks like we got one touch here, couple touches off the bottom side, so something to just watch out for. Something to watch out for. What's so funny, Home of Ern? What are you laughing about? Okay, so we're getting a second entry long failure right now. It's just very stacked, so to be honest, we're getting another little mini congestion area. We break out the bottom side, I'm still bullish. Oh, you're talking to the world above? I see you, man. So let's see if we do keep working higher here. Because regardless of what's going on, I'm seeing this as a nice push up. I don't think we're just gonna reverse back down. I mean, every significant low is higher than the previous one. I mean, if we look at, this is the 10,000 tick chart, you can kind of see the same thing. We're just slowly moving up. Slowly working higher. Grinding higher. Sideways with a little hint of going up. But sometimes these uptrends are just like that. They're just very slow. It doesn't look like it. It doesn't look too valid, but you can't just ignore the fact that we're constantly making higher lows. What's up, man? What's up, male gossip? What's going on? Okay, we're getting another potential touch at this wide channel we got. If we have a push up and a higher low, that's what I'd like to see. Okay, so yeah, we're getting a bounce. I'm not looking to go long right here. I mean, this is a huge signal bar. But if we get a nice higher low, that's a trade I want to take. Will we get a higher low? Will we do it? It's also, it looks like a visual one leg down, sideways, second leg down. Definitely a lot of traders selling here at a potential resistance area, potential range, but really, I'm gonna get rid of that. I think this uptrend is gonna take precedence, but we got to get a higher low if we wanna take a trade. Okay, so if we reverse up, I'm looking to go long. I'm looking to go long right here. Doji bar though. I don't play around with the dojis. I don't play around with the dojis, man. But here we go. Here we go. Looks like it might work out for a nice little trade. Okay, and yep, here's that move up. So I wanted to take this higher low. It's just sometimes you don't get the great signal bars. But I'm thinking we're definitely moving up here. Yeah, we're pushing up. We're pushing up for sure. I think. Here we go. So here we got a second entry short failure as well. Yeah, we're off. We're going up. So, man, higher low right there. Just no great signal bar, unfortunately. Sometimes you miss those trades. Yeah, we're going up. We're going up. Man, I wanted to take this higher low. That was the setup right there. That was it. Yeah, so going back to this trade, I mean, we had this range. I mean, the only I don't know. It was tough to tell, man. I like the trade. I like the trade regardless. I was gonna say the only thing that we maybe could have saw is that we were slowly working higher, but in the moment, like, it didn't really look like that. All right, so we basically have two measured legs up. Do we get a second entry long right here? A little far away from the EMA. And we didn't get filled. I usually only keep my limit order in if we get filled instantly, because sometimes if we make like a 1 point scalp or a little more than a 1 point scalp and then come back and fill us, I don't know why, but a lot of the times you'd end up taking out this low. But prices are looking a little stacked right now as well. Also possible the uptrend is something like this. I mean, there's a million different uptrends we could have right now, but I'm just gonna keep the original one on. Okay, and here we go. So let's see if we do take out 1050 this low. We got what looks like to be a trap incoming. Yep, there we go. So here could be a double trap. First, second entry long, failure. We work up here. This could be a nice little setup. Not quite, not quite. Okay, actually, I'm a try to get in right here. Second entry long. I'm using the second signal bar, not the low as the signal bar, so technically not the signal bar, but I mean, this market looks like it's bound to go higher. Looks like a trap trade, a double trap right here. First, second entry long, failure, double trap. Let's see if we can push higher. Off the EMA. If we come up, take out 13, take out 14, these lower highs, I think we're bound to just have another leg up. Okay, so we took those out. Let's see if we can keep working up. I'm going for a 5 point scalp. It's 3 point risk, 5 point profit target. I'm thinking we still have room to the highs of the channel. Visual 2 legs down as well, off the EMA. Once again, I like this trade. Okay, so we pushed up. We need a couple more points. Couple more points will do it. All right, worked out for a few points. We got to keep pushing higher, though. We got to get we got to get another bounce at that EMA. Come on now. Come on now. Let's go higher. We're being played with. We're being played with. But visual second entry long, also trap trade. I mean, the trap technically already happened. We already had the leg up, break new high. So might be time to work back lower. We'll see. Will we work hard? Will we have that push up? Come on, man. Oh, shit. And we do have some news coming out in a couple minutes. That's why we might be getting a little stagnant. So something I ignored right there could be... Oh, man, I definitely didn't even think about that. We got news in like 2 minutes. Will we push higher? What's up, Fert? What's going on, Fert? We took a trade, not knowing news is about to come out, so anything can happen right now. I mean, hopefully we can at least get out for break even. We got like 1 minute till some news. Trying to get out for break even. Okay, so we're out for break even. But what the hell? We got 2 accounts here that they stopped us out. The accounts, I mean, they're still alive. I don't know why we got stopped out. I don't know what happened. Man, unbelievable. Unbelievable. Let's see what happens. News about to come out. BOC press conference just started. Let's see if this trade would have worked out. But we're just very, very stacked right now. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know why the hell we got stopped out in our 2 accounts up here. We still got some room to go with those accounts. We got about 1,000 of trailing threshold. I don't know what the hell happened. Some BS. Some BS, man. Alright. Price is very, very stacked. No trade zone once again. Some BS. Fuck, man. Alright, got a little mini congestion. We draw our little channels to give us an idea of exactly where we could be headed. So let's see, if we had stayed in this trade, would it have worked out? We got to get to 1750. If it gets there, man, it's unfortunate. Yep, and of course, when we take our trade out for break even, it goes exactly where we thought it would. So I'm on tilt right now. I'm on tilt, man. 2 of our accounts, we took a loss. I don't know why. The other ones, I'm not too mad about that we just got out break even. I mean, it was very, very sideways, right into some news. But why the hell did those 2 accounts get stopped out? Fuck, man. Prices went exactly where we thought. Exactly where we thought, Fert. Man, what's going on today? Jeez, but to be honest, guys, like I'm pissed right now. So I'm gonna go send Apex an email, see what the hell happened. But I'm gonna call it a day right there. I'm gonna just go step out. Like, I shouldn't even be trading when my emotions are high. So we're gonna call it a day right there. We'll be back tomorrow.